Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. I'm here with another driving video. So you guys stay tuned, watch to the end. Let's get on the road. If you're new to the channel, just remember, subscribing is free. It doesn't cost anything. Just click that red subscribe button, turn it gray. Remember to like the video. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to share as well. So let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so we're starting the video on Newdale Plaza right here off Mannings Road. Not a very big plaza. They have what? Chemical Solution, they have Lotto and Betting, Family Pride Supermarket, Newdale Plaza, All That Matters. Those are some of the complexes here. They also have a Pizza Hut, Chicken and Things is also across the road. So quite a few shops here. So that's what we're checking out today. We also have Evandale Manor, which is on 3 Barda Avenue. That's directly in front of me. Alright, so it's a drive from Newdale Plaza on Mannings Road, and we're heading to Constant Spring Road, and then we'll stop at the new Super VALU Town Center. Just gonna take a quick look up there. I think they are fully tenanted now, so we're just gonna take a quick look at that plaza. So stay tuned guys. I'll highlight as much as I can, I'll narrate as much as I can, so enjoy the drive. Alright, so we have the Super VALU supermarket right here on the left. Remember to leave your comments guys in terms of what you think about the different places we're passing. We have Evandale, Salvation Army on the right, and then now we're approaching Midway Mall. So again, remember to leave your comments guys, and thanks to everybody that has been supporting the channel. If you like a video, it's a support. If you comment, that's supporting. You share, that's supporting. If you watch the video, you know, that's supporting. If you watch an ad, that is supporting as well. And thanks to persons too who, you know, always donate to the PayPal for the channel. Really appreciate the monetary support as well, because it goes towards, you know, even traveling expense guys, because it does, you know, take cost to travel all around for you guys and showcase. And I always try to upgrade the equipment on the channel as well. So if you want to contribute, we have PayPal where you can donate. Want to get some better dash cam equipment as well. One of my main recording equipment has stopped working. I know some of you guys realize the difference in the quality of the videos over the last couple of days, but it's something I'm working on to try, you know, see how I can alleviate that until I get some better equipment. We now have the drone. I love the drone. I know you guys love the drone. It's making so much difference, you know, with that eagle eye view. So yeah, donate guys if you're able to, if you want to. So we're passing Lawrence Avenue on the right. So we're still on Mannings Hill Road. We have the Wesleyan Holiness Church on the left, and then Sullivan Avenue on the right. And then through Mary Brown's corner, the Texaco at Mary Brown corner, we'll head on to Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, enjoy the drive, leave a comment. Alright, so this is the very popular Texaco at the Mary Brown's corner. I know a lot of you guys watching must have, once you're from Kingston or you traverse this side, there's a strong possibility that you would have come to this gas station. Alright, so we'll be approaching Constant Spring Road shortly, coming off Mannings Road, and that right turn over there is Maryvale Avenue. Not sure if you guys can see it right there in the right of the screen. Alright, so let's head on to Constant Spring Road. Right in front of us is HGS Call Center. Alright, so we're now heading up the newly finished Constant Spring Road. 4 lanes. This project took quite some time and a lot of work. That's finished. Very good road quality, and it has helped with a lot of traffic as well. Scotiabank on the right. So this was a part of the island-wide road improvement project. This one and the Agley Park Road started the same time, or was being done the same time. I've done so many videos on this channel, so I'm sure you guys have had your fair share of videos on this channel for this road project, the Agley Park Road project, and the 3 miles overhead bridge and road project as well. So we'll be entering now the Super VALU Town Center. They are now open. This plaza itself was under construction for many years. It was paused for a long time, and then they finished it just in time with the new Constant Spring Road, and I think that was a very good move. I think the plaza is now fully booked, fully tenanted, if not probably 80 or 90%. So we're just gonna take a quick look over there and highlight some of the shops over there as well. So that's the plan. So it's a drive from Mannings Road, Newdale Plaza, to this other plaza on Hillman Drive. So this is up, I guess you could call it here Uptown, close to Manor Park. So people refer to these areas as Uptown. So we're Uptown, guys. Somebody suggested I should highlight the different areas that I'm in, so that being that they're not from Jamaica, they can know the different connections of the different areas and stuff like that. So yes, we're Uptown, Super VALU Town Center. So they have fresh foods at a supermarket, Wendy's, Domino's, and Court. Show you guys a snap of the menu right there. Flow, Masala Wok, that's the restaurant. Bakery, Devon House Ice Cream, Cellular, that's a phone shop. Golden Fountain, that's a restaurant. So lots of shops over here. I don't think any gym is over here, but I think a gym would be a very superb move though. They need a gym. Alright, so we're gonna drive around the plaza. I think I'll try get a park, and then I'll probably show you guys some glimpses. Alright, let me get the park first. So I'm gonna park right in here, show you guys some glimpses, and then I do a little driving as well. Alright, so in front of us is the Golden Fountain restaurant, Chinese, Wendy's, Domino's. The last time I came, that Wendy's wasn't there, the restaurant wasn't open. So the second floor is doing good in terms of tenants. Uncart is also here. That's a fancy restaurant, fine dining. Cafe Blue, I guess they replaced Starbucks, because where there's no Starbucks, there's Cafe Blue. They're competitors. Innovative Superstore, so those are the other complexes as well. So not bad. Let me jump on outside and show you guys around the place as well. Alright guys, so just showed you a few glimpses on the outside. So I'm just gonna drive around the entire property now, so you guys can have a better look. So this is the Fresh Foods supermarket. Again, Uptown shopping. You know, not discriminating or anything, guys, but you know, you'll see a lot of white persons here. You know, some of the persons that are probably overseas workers, meaning that, you know, their office is out here as well and they send them out. So you see a lot of white people, diplomats, even tourists, because some tourists that spend time in Kingston, you'll see them in Manor Park, you'll see them in Barbican, you'll see them in Ligani. And I'm sure you guys can probably agree with me as well. You guys would have seen that. So Flow right in front of me, then ICAA Insurance, then Ping Links, that's a phone shop, and then the bakery at Spring. This one is new to me. I don't think I saw this the last time. So it's a fancy bakery. And then again we have General Foods. I think, hold on, I think I showed in General Foods before. Yeah, I'm gonna find that video, guys, and put it in the comments where I walked into General Foods. And I'm also gonna put in the comments as well the very first video. I'm sorry, it's Fresh Foods. Keep saying General Foods. So it's Fresh Foods, Super Value Fresh Foods. So that's the name of it. So that's the supermarket. So again, Domino's, mostly restaurant on this side. So they try to section it up a bit. So restaurants here, where we're coming from, we saw some other random shops. Yeah, so they're trying to section it up. We have dry clean as well. Not seeing any water store, but I think a water store would do very good here. Probably it's coming, I don't know. But I guess they would want to put a water store on ground level still. Right, so I'll find the two videos to put in the comments. One will be when I walked into Fresh Foods, and the other will be the very first video I can find of this property. Alright guys, so as usual, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting. Lots of parking here. You know, I think one time I made a comment and said, you know, some of these plazas with so much parking should have really gone underground with the parking and then have even more parking space. Sorry, even more building space for more shops. So it'd have been even a bigger plaza. It'd have been like a town center, you know, with everything that you can think about. And I think a lot more developers and contractors need to think about the option of underground parking to save, you know, parking space, and then have more space for construction, which, you know, allows more business to be in one place. So you as the shopper go to one place, then you can find everything you basically want. And I think that makes a lot of sense. Let me know what you guys think. I always like when you guys comment, you know, start up a conversation, you know, share your thoughts. I like that, because we can always learn from each other. I've learned a lot from you guys, you know. And even something that just came to me, a lot of time you guys suggest new construction or new development that I may have missed or not, you know, seen or hear about as yet. I really appreciate that. You guys keep doing it, and you guys know yourself as well, you know, person that always share information about construction, share links, share videos. You guys know yourself. So that's about it for the video, guys. Let me know what you think. So we're coming from Manningsdale Road, we came on Constant Spring Road, and we were able to get a glimpse of the recently opened Super Value Town Center. So see you in another video, and thanks for watching this far. If you have watched to the end, just type, if you made a comment already, type Super Value in the comment section. Alright guys, so Constant Spring Road Police Station right in front of me. See you on another video.